This is one of the most well-preserved ancient buildings in the entire world, the Pantheon in Rome. It was built in 126 AD by the Emperor Hadrian, making it nearly 2,000 years old and still standing like if it was new. To this day, the Pantheon holds the record for the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the entire world. It weighs more than 4,500 tons and it has a huge hole in the middle. The ancient Romans cleverly used a different mixture of concrete the further they went up. At the very top they used pumice, which is volcanic rock, same type that buried Vesuvius just a few decades before this construction. According to the ancient Romans, that hole enables pagan gods from conquered lands to come in and become part of the pantheon of gods. Once Christianity reigned over Europe, this was renamed to Santa Maria della Rotunda, with Catholic Mass still held here. And also, these are the oldest doors in Rome. Stay curious, my friend.